Section 1, Introduction to Pakistan's Anti-Terrorism Act. Pakistan faces a constant threat from terrorism. To combat this, the government enacted the Anti-Terrorism Act of 1997. This law provides a framework for dealing with terrorist activities. The ATA defines terrorism, outlines punishments, and specifies the role of armed forces in counter-terrorism operations. The ATA is a crucial piece of legislation for Pakistan. It reflects the country's determination to fight terrorism. The Act has been amended several times to address evolving threats and challenges. Understanding the ATA is essential for comprehending Pakistan's security landscape. The ATA has been a subject of debate. Some argue that it is essential for maintaining order and security. Others express concerns about its impact on human rights. This essay will delve into the key sections of the ATA to provide a balanced perspective. It will analyze the Act's provisions, their implications, and the ongoing debate surrounding its effectiveness and impact on civil liberties. Section 2, Defining Terrorism and the Role of Armed Forces. Section 2 of the ATA defines crucial terms. Terrorism is defined as any act intended to cause death or serious harm, aiming to intimidate a population or compel a government or international organization. This definition is broad, encompassing various acts. A terrorist act includes bombings, assassinations, and kidnappings. This clarifies the types of activities the law targets. The Act also defines a terrorist organization as any group involved in planning or executing terrorist activities. This helps identify and prosecute groups involved in terrorism. Section 4 outlines the conditions for deploying armed forces. They can be called in to aid civil power when the situation becomes uncontrollable. This ensures the maintenance of law and order. Section 5 details the powers of armed forces during deployment. They are authorized to use necessary force to prevent terrorist acts. This includes arrest powers without a warrant. However, clear rules of engagement are provided to ensure proportionality and adherence to legal standards. Section 3, Punishments and Prohibition of Sectarian Hatred. Section 6 provides a comprehensive legal definition of terrorism. It outlines the elements constituting a terrorist act: intent, purpose, and methods. The intent must be to cause death, injury, or damage. The purpose should be to intimidate, coerce, or influence government policy. Methods can include bombings, shootings, and kidnappings. This section removes ambiguity and provides a clear framework for prosecution. Section 7 outlines punishments for terrorism-related offences. These punishments are severe, reflecting the gravity of the crimes. The death penalty is prescribed for offences causing mass casualties. Life imprisonment is stipulated for acts causing significant harm. Fines and imprisonment are given for lesser offences like supporting terrorism. Section 8 prohibits acts promoting sectarian hatred. This includes inciting violence against a particular sect or spreading hate speech. This provision aims to maintain social harmony and prevent sectarian strife.